na-send na po yung lyrics ng song. Nakantay na po natin siya. Sa lawak ng mundo, nakita ang isang tulad ko at nabago ang isip ko. Di ko rin maipaliwanag ang nararamdaman kahit tayo'y kasama. Tumatahimik ang gulo kapag naman mo ako. Huwag mo sana sa akin ay maniniwala, maniniwala pa ako sasabihin kung ikaw na nga ang nakikita ko sa pumas na dati ay malabo na para ba nagkulang sa kasigurado. Pero ngayon nagkulang sa kasigurado. Pero ngayon mahal kita, sana sa akin ay maniniwala. Hindi ko rin maipaliwanag ang nararamdaman sa'yo. Gusto ko lang na malaman mo na seryoso ako. Siguradong sigurado ikaw ang naman ng damdamin ko. Maniniwala, maniniwala pa ako sasabihin kung ikaw na nga ang nakikita ko sa bukas na dati ay malabo na para ba nagkulang sa kasigurado. Pero ngayon just release so much po. Tulungan sana guys, samahan po ako pakinggan and stream my songs every day, every minute, every second. Thanks so much po. And it's my second time performing this song live. So, actually, dapat yung mga, yung mga backing tracks kasi medyo mahirap kantayin yung song, pero ayun. Buti hindi ako na-comatose for this evening. Ayun, pero inom-inom naman natin yung tubig. Thank you so much, bro.
Tapos namin yan sa kotse.
Hello! There's a song from Olivia Rodriguez. Mali! It's a song from Olivia Lister. Lister. Just. It isn't working. I'm tired of the question marks we deserve. Hitting into me, it gets not so crazy. You just understand my feelings, baby. See, I'm capable and fine. I'm feeling good about tonight. And ready to die. Maybe it's a loving right. I'm here, see through. Maybe it's a magic you are not feeling loose. Maybe it's a black that every time I fall, I lose it all. But you should help me find my head to my feet. And I'm ready to die. Cause I was falling, nothing wrong, it's alright. Coming up and down and in tonight, it feels like crazy. Lately, you just understand my feelings. Make me see a paper on fire. I'm feeling you by tonight. And I'm ready to die. Maybe it's a loving in your eyes. Maybe it's a magic in a way. Maybe it's a night every time I fall, I lose it all. But you love me from my head to my feet. And I'm ready to die. I'm ready to dive into me. Wanna swim good and I wanna swim deeper. Dive into you, dive into me. Wanna swim good and I wanna swim deeper. Dive into you, dive into me. Wanna swim good and I wanna swim deeper. Dive into you, dive into me. Maybe it's love in your eyes. Maybe it's a magic in a while. Maybe it's a black that every time I fall, I lose it all. But you got me from my head to my feet. Ready to die. Maybe it's magic in a while. Maybe it's a black that every time I fall, I lose it all. But you got me from my head to my feet. And ready to die. Thanks so much! Kapag tumaas yung lakan natin dito sa Baguio City, na malabo na nangyari. Magdayo tayo. Anyway, thank you so much. This is a song from Olivia D. We're down to our last 3 songs for this set. And maraming salamat po again sa ating mga visitors, and sa mga locals po na pumunta dito sa Hiraya Cafe to watch and to enjoy music and to enjoy the food and drinks ng Hiraya Cafe. And also, I would like to congratulate po sa anniversary po ba? Advance anniversary po ito ng Hiraya Cafe. Palakpakan naman po natin ng Hiraya Cafe. Long live! Long live! Long live the cafe! Long live the cafe! Ganon. 1 year na po kayo, sir. to 2 years na. Ayun, pinapakanto natin. Sana tumagal kami after mga 50 years. Kung hindi ito makapag-demolish, di ba? Baka mag-renovate yung bago seats. Ayun. We're down to our last 3 songs. And this song is a song from Maroon 5. Devoto na ano kasi sila. Nazareno. Okay, Maroon. Chance. Maroon. Only mga taga-Quiapo, no? Sa Quiapo ba yung Nazareno? This song is called Sunday Morning kahit Saturday at umuulan ngayon. Saturday evening, rain is fall. Ganun natin yung lyrics. Aguhin natin. Baka may lang. Saturday evening, rain is falling. Still some purposes unscathed. Clouds are striking us in moments unforgettable. The dreams to pick the moment I made. Things just got so crazy, leaving nothing's hard to do. And I will get the road, get up and go if I know that someday you'll lead me back to you. That someday you'll lead me back to you. Now maybe all I need, and darkness is all you see. Come rest your bones with me. Just on Saturday evening, I never wanna live. Think and trace your happy outline. Oh yeah, yeah. Paint a picture with my head. Back and forth we sway like branches in a storm. Change the words together, but it ends. That may be all I need. In darkness, she's all I see. Come and rest your bones with me. Drive us on Sunday morning. I never wanna live. Oh. Let's give it up for Jonathan, the guitarist for this evening. Ayun. Kalush-shalush. The things just got so crazy lately. I got time to do, and I will get it to road. Get up and go if I know that someday it'll lead me back to you. Oh, that someday it'll lead me back to you. And maybe all I need in darkness is all I see. Come and rest your bones with me. Drive us on Sunday morning. I never wanna live. Drive us on Sunday morning. I never wanna live. Drive us on Sunday morning. I never Thanks so much! And we're down to our last song for this evening. Maraming salamat po yung Happy for inviting us tonight. Ayun, sobrang thankful po ako in this. Hindi po huli makakita. Dinisappoint yung mga audience. And this song is my debut song ko ba? No? Ay, hindi ko tutuloy yung song. This song is called Julio kasi July. Alam mo po kung bakit niyo ako in-invite dito. Dahil sa song na to. Kasi July ngayon. Kailangan ko kantahin. Necessity or must. This song is called Julio. Konting backstory lang po. This song, marami nagtatanong kung birthday ba ito? Tao ba siya? Animal ba siya? Animal. Pero this song is, yung title ng song, parang ba explain? Ano siya? Birthday siya ng isang tao. Ayun. Maka-birthday niya ng July 11.
May
7-11. This song is called 7-Eleven Time. TJ, Tony J ba? Ayun, yung song na to, sinulat ko noong 2021 nung pumunta ako nung bumalik ako ng Iloilo to reminisce. Charas! To feel main character for once in my life. Kasi yun sabi na kapag umalis ka ng ilang taon sa probinsya niyo tapos pagbalik mo, main character ka na. Artista ko. Mas may pera. Wala akong pera ng time yun. Charing lang. Tapos ayun, sabihin ko na, yung whole birthday, yung taong yun is my dating teammate sa archery. Ayun. Tapos, landi-landi, gano'n. Pero straight siya kasi. Yun yung problem. Tapos, nagkaroon kasi kami ng, teammates kami, di ba? So, nagkaroon kami na, pagkasama kami for 3 months, gano'n. Tapos, nag-start na magbiroan kami ng mga teammates namin. Sabi namin, sige nga, mag-call sign kayo ng babe. Tapos, kung sino yung mahuhulog, siya yung talo. Talo, ano ba kaya? Gano'n. Pero kasi, hindi naman ako mahuhulog kung hindi siya nagbigay ng motibo. Ayun. Hindi na ako pupunta sa mga motibo naman. Kasi, masaya na ako ngayon with my partner. Gusto ko lang i-share yung story ko. Ayun, nasulat ko siya, yung lyrics ng song, yun yung nangyari sa buong araw na yun. Hindi ko alam na pupunta rin pala siya sa reunion namin, mag-teammates. Tapos ako, tumakbo talaga ako kasi ayaw ko siya makita. Pero may isang very memorable na nangyari sa amin. Din. We hug. Pero itong hug na to, siya yung isa sa mga pinaka-ibang hug na naramdaman ko, na experience ko sa buong buhay ko. Ganun. Kasi, alam mo yung hug na kapag nag-hug kayo, di ba? Tapos, ikaw, parang gusto mo nang bumitaw, parang bibitawan ka na rin ng tao, ng kahag mo. Pero this one, iba siya. Nag-let go na ako sa likod, tapos parang mas hinigpitan niya yung yakap niya, gano'n. Tapos ako, okay, returning the favor. Inag ko na lang din siya. Tapos, after ilang years, hindi na rin kami nag-usap. Tapos feeling ko nagustuhan niya rin ako. Deludo. Feeling lang. Nagustuhan niya rin ako kasi feeling ko, sabi ng mga teammates ko, until now, wala daw siyang girlfriend. Sabi niya daw, straight daw siya. Tapos, nag-comedy bar na itong Hinaya Cafe. Tapos, ayun, kasi straight siya and his parents, mga very religious. I'm the only child, so I cannot blame him. Pero no matter what happened, okay naman ako kasi nasulat ko yung song dahil sa kanya. So tara na, kantayin na natin ito. This song is called Julio and I hope you guys enjoy it. Nagkala pa po kami ng setup. hindi ko napigilang tumakbo na makita ka. Ano ang sasabihin kung ako'y kakausapin na umuulan ang mga isip? Napatingin ako sa'yo at Julio, wala pa rin nagbago, namihirap pa rin ako. Pag humaplo sa'kin, matatamis na tinig mo. Julio, nang hinawakan mo, nagsibalik ang mga kasama ka. Pamihira nga naman, ba't ako nakalikas sa balikat ko? Sa gitna ng pag-uusap, dumaan ang timing, at ako ay malapit na Humaplo sa'kin, matatamis na tinig mo. Julio, nang hinawakan mo, ay sibalik ang mga naglaho. Kasama ka, Julio. Pag humaplo sa'kin, matatamis na tinig mo. Julio, nang hinawakan mo, ay sibalik ang mga naglaho. Kasama ka. Thank you so much for coming, everybody. At Jan Jan, this evening, maraming salamat po. And happy anniversary, Ryan. Thank you so much. And that's David Lasol and Jan Jan signing off. May pa-signing off talaga. Thank you so much, guys. Maraming salamat sa mga friends ko na pumunta. Thank you so much. Hello, Mikey. Hello sa Gonzales family. Gonzales family talaga. Thank you so much po. Ito sa Bawalan family. Thank you so much po for coming. And Chinika, sa Chinika. Ayun, si Nika Bells. Thank you so much for coming. And for my baby loves talaga. Honey, my love's so sweet. Thank you so much po. Maraming salamat. Thank you po. Thank you po. Thank you po. Thank you po.